and just coming here, search URL. I'll be giving developer dot salesforce dot com slash sign up. Okay, so this is the link to create a Salesforce developer account, and in this developer account we'll be practicing everything. Developer dot salesforce dot com slash sign up. Okay. So here you can see yesterday I have just explained you regarding this. Now we're gonna create it. Sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition. This is a Salesforce Developer Edition and a full featured copy of platform for free. This is a full featured copy so that we'll be practicing the scenarios. Complete the form to start your trail. Our team will be in touch to make you the most of your trails. That means we need to fill all our details, then we'll be receiving the mail to our mail ID, then we need to verify it. Okay. So now I'm giving my first name. So let me give my first name Ajay and last name Ajay Hazari. And here email address you need to give your working email ID. Okay, here you need to give working email ID so that you will be receiving the verification email to your email ID which you are giving here. Okay, so for that I'm just giving my mail ID over here. Smartbridge. Okay, I'll be receiving mail verification mail to my mail ID and job role. You can see here, as I told yesterday, we have different kinds of job roles over here. As we are in admin, you can choose admin. If you're a developer, you can also choose developer. But if you choose any role here, there will be no change in the platform. Okay, you can choose any role over here. All the futures will be same in all the roles which are mentioned here. There will be no change if you try to select any other roles. Okay, so as we are in administrator, so I'll be choosing administrator only right now. And company name, in coming to company name, if you're working in a company, you can give company name, or else you can also give your college name in the company. Okay, so I'll be giving the smart bridge. Okay, and coming to country region, I'm just giving India. Here you need to give your country region, that is India, and state. You can give your state here, and postal code. Okay, and this coming to the username, I already explained you yesterday. This username, your username must be in the form of an email address. It doesn't have to be real. Okay, so that means the username should be in the form of a email ID. That means it should contain at the rate and dot at in your username. It should be very unique again. So let me give here Ajay cohort 4, Ajay cohort 4 7 month 10 at the rate salesforce.com. Here in the place of Salesforce, you can also give your college name or like something, and dot with this at the rate and dot should be very clear. Okay, so after that you can give .com, .in, .co, anything you can give, but at the rate and dot should be there in your username. Okay, so this is the username which I have given. I'm just clicking on agree. I agree to the main service agreement, developer services and developer program agreements. And here it is saying, yes, I would like to receive marketing communication regarding Salesforce products. So I have just agreed it and clicking on sign me up. So as soon as I click on sign me up, I'll be getting a mail to my mail ID. So let's check that. I have clicked sign me up. So beep processing. We'll be getting a notification here.
Recording stopped.
You can see almost there. Please check your email to confirm your account. That means it is asking me to please check your mail. They have sent a verification mail. Okay, so let me open my mail. It
Recording in progress.
You can see almost there, and please check your email to confirm your account. That means it is saying please check the mail which you have given in the form, so that you will be receiving the verification mail. Okay, and to receive this mail it may take some 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, it will take some 10 to 15 minutes. Please don't worry. So let us check once, did we receive email or not.
Recording stopped.
No, I did not receive mail still. Now what we do is we'll wait for the mail. So it will be taking almost like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll not wait till the mail comes, and let mail come, and before that we'll be start creating the Trailhead account. Okay. So once we create a Trailhead account, if I receive a mail again, we'll try to verify our account through email. You can see it. I did not receive any mail, so we'll be waiting for the let the mail come. Before that we'll start creating our Trailhead account. Okay. Mendes, please confirm, is my screen visible? Is my screen shared right now? Are you able to see my screen? Sanjana or Rishi, anyone there? It's visible. Your screen is visible. Okay, fine. Uh,
Recording in progress.
okay. So to create a Trailhead account, to create a Trailhead account, we need to again go to the link trailhead dot salesforce dot com. Okay, this is the link where you can create your trailhead account. So let us create a trailhead account using this link. Now I'm just opening a new tab. Okay, in this tab let me give trailhead dot salesforce dot com. Then after clicking on trailhead.salesforce.com, you will be landed in this page, and here you can observe we have okay, skill up for the future, skill up for the future, and you have a sign up button here. So let us just check out this page and okay, and you can see sign up button here. As soon as you click on this sign up button, it will be showing you with continue with Google, continue with Salesforce, continue with LinkedIn. So this here I will be suggesting you to please continue with your Google account, so that you can just log in every time you want. If you forget password also, you can receive it to your mail id. And here I am just clearing you that maintaining a one trailhead account in your lifetime, throughout the life, if you maintain one trailhead account, that will be good. Because developer accounts, as you see, these developer accounts we can create multiple, but coming to the trailhead account, please try to maintain one trailhead account only. Because here we'll be performing some models and you'll be earning badges and points, so that you can add it to your resume, which will be adding weightage to your resumes, right? So if you lost this account, again that points and everything batches which you have gained, that you will be losing, and again you need to create it from first. So my suggestion for you is always try to have one trailhead account only, right? And I'm just clicking on continue with Google right now. As my account is already created, this is my company mail id, and I have create already created account by using this. Okay, I have already created the trailhead account, so that's why it is opening this page. So if you're trying to create it a new try to create a new account, then if you click on continue with Google, you will be able to see this kind of information over there. Okay, you first need to give first name, last name. Okay, my title. Coming to my title, you can give your college title, regarding your title, anything. And here, coming to my role again, you can have many options over here. You can choose accordingly. If you choose any option, there will be no change in the platform will be same for all these roles which are mentioned here. Okay, so if you are in if you want to select administrator, you can select. If you want developer, you can select that. And coming to pronoun, you all know, you can give yours. And coming to relationship to sales, so everyone will be getting doubt here while creating a trailhead account. Okay, and here relationship to Salesforce. Yes, coming to relationship to Salesforce, you can give customer, partner, and Salesforce employee. As we are learning right now from Trailhead, then you can just click on customer. Okay, so you can choose customer over here, and if you want any short video, you can give it that there. And this is the URL. This is the URL which that will be created when you create your Trailhead account. Okay, when you create a Trailhead account, yeah. So when you create a Trailhead account, this URL will be created. And location, you can give your location, country, state. And my company, again in my company, you can give your college name if you want. If you are in a company, you can give your company name, right? And company size, if you want to choose, you can choose it from here. And any social accounts, you can give the links here. Done. So this is all about Trailhead account creation. So once it is done, you can just click on save, and you will be landed in the in this kind of page. Okay, this is how you create a Trailhead account. Okay, now we have created, we have just uh, filled the form of a developer account, and I said we'll be receiving a mail. So let us check. I think mail has come. We'll see the further process, and we also created a Trailhead account using trailhead.salesforce.com. There are more to know about this Trailhead. We'll come to this Trailhead after seeing the Salesforce account login. You can see in the mail. I have received the mail. Thank you for signing up with Salesforce Verify account. You can see my username. I have given it as Ajay Cohort for this then at the rate of salesforce.com. Okay, so you need to click on verify account. Everyone will be receiving this mail if you are trying to create a developer account. And just clicking on verify account. Once you click on verify account, you will be landed in this page where you can change the password. It will be asking you to change the password, and here you need to give your password. So let me give. Okay, I have given the password for this. Right, and here is our security question. Once you need to set up, you need to set this security question. Whenever you forget this password, log into developer account. If you forget your password, if you click on forgot password, then security question will be asked. Okay, if you forget the security question which you are giving here, then your account will not be, we cannot recover your account. This security question and the answer which you are giving here, you need to remember it. Okay, so the answer I am giving it as Hyderabad. Why we are giving the security question is, please listen again. When we forget to log in, when we are trying to log in into our Salesforce account, if you forget the password, then this security question will be asked. In which city you were born? The questions which you are choosing here, that question it will ask you. Then you need to give your answer for that, so that only you will be able to change your password. Okay, so for that reason we are giving security question and answer. I'm just clicking on change password now. So as soon as I click on change password, we'll be landed in our Salesforce platform. This is called Salesforce Developer Org. This is called Salesforce Developer Org. All the topics and concepts which we gonna discuss in coming classes, everything we'll be creating here hands-on, and I'll be showing you with the clear concepts like scenarios where we need to perform. Okay, so this is all about how you will be creating a Salesforce developer account, Salesforce developer org. Right, so this is a part. Please don't get confused. Salesforce developer account is different and Trailhead account is different. The Trailhead account is this which we have created. That means you need to first create a developer account, and then you can create a Trailhead account. Okay, so this Trailhead account you need to maintain only one Trailhead account, but you can also create multiple developer orgs. No, there will be no restrictions. According to your practice scenarios, you can create different how many developer orgs you want. You can just create them. Coming to Trailhead account, this Trailhead account, as I told yesterday, Trailhead account is a free platform given from Salesforce. Okay, this Trailhead account is given. This is a free platform to learn Salesforce, where we can do module super badges. That is like a hands-on practice. Okay, so let us see how to do and what we gonna do. Right, then you can see here badges and points. I'll show you. I'll tell you what are those. And I'm just clicking on go to Trailhead now. Here is our Trailhead. This is called as a Trailhead account, where you will be getting a models to learn, and these models you can learn on your own, like hands-on practice. Okay, like it will be like a real-time scenarios. When you come to here learn, you will be observing trails, trail mixes, and models, projects, everything. Okay, so this if you go here in the models, if I just click on modules. Okay, so here you can see sorted, new, level, beginner. Okay, product is you can just choose in which product you are and clicking on admin. Then these are all the models which you will be getting when you are trying to learn these basic admin topics. Okay, so this is how you will be seeing the model results. But in this internship, for completing this internship and in order to get your certificate, we have created a trail mix. Okay, we have already created a trail mix. Trail mix is nothing but a combination of a modules. Okay, so to complete this internship, you just need to create a trailhead account and search not only for this internship, and after the internship also you can practice more modules as I showed you. You just need to go to learn, and here different modules will be there. So after that also you can gain knowledge using a trailhead account. Okay, so for completing this internship, we have created a trail mix. So you can just go to search trailhead here and search for trail mix by Smart Bridge. Okay, trail mix by Smart Bridge. You just need to search it, trail mix by Smart Bridge, and then you can see admin trail mix by SmartBridge, admin trail mix. This trail mix is set up as a part of Salesforce virtual internship program by SmartBridge, right? So you just need to open it, admin trail mix, and here you will be having all the basic modules to the topics which you need to complete. Okay, so these are all the basic models, and here at the end you will be having some super badges. All these are the models. Once after we complete the concept, you need to complete all these modules. Okay, you can observe this is one super badge. Super badge is nothing but like a project. After completing the modules, these super badges will be unlocked, and you need to perform these super badges. Okay, what how it will be super badges, I'll just walk you through that. But this is just I'm telling you right now. I'll show you how to like one model. I'll show you what are how to complete them. Here you can see three models, and at last we have this is the end of the trail mix. You can see admin superset. So when you complete this admin superset, this internship will be completed, and you will be receiving you will be receiving certificate successfully. Okay, so these are the models which you need to complete in order to complete this internship. So basically, this is regarding the internship. If you want to practice more models, then let's walk I'll just walk you through the trailhead account, what is what. Here you can see credentials, certification, super badges, and superset. What are these certifications and super badges and supersets? Everything is means when you click on these super badges and superset, these super badges and supersets are like projects. Okay, these are like the projects. If you are perfect in these topics, you can just come here and complete this topic. So that if you complete one, if you complete one unit, you'll be getting one badge over here. Okay, and similarly like that points you will be coming. So how to do that is, let us see data modeling. I'll just show you how these models will be there. Okay, data modeling is here, giving gives you data structures with objects, fields, and relationships. And just opening this data modeling, and this is how you can complete your units. You just need to go to model, and here is you if you see we have three units here. You just need to open one by one, and in each and every model there will be quizzes or hands-on challenges. You just need to complete those quiz or hands-on challenge in order to receive so badges, like here badges and points. Okay, and when you observe at the end, this is like challenge. You just need to perform this challenge in the org, that is or playground. You can perform it in a playground. And coming to playground, what is a playground over here? You can see each and we have playground, different playgrounds, different these playgrounds are similarly like a Salesforce developer org. Like here we have created our org, right? These playgrounds are also similarly like that. But for performing, not there are many models in this trailhead for practice, as I told, right? So for every models, if you want to create a new playground and perform the challenge, you can just create a new playground, and this playground will be similarly like a developer account only. If you see, Okay, if you see, this will be similarly like a developer account only. This will be similar like a developer account only, so that you can create a different playgrounds and you can perform these challenges in the orgs. Okay, so that is all about these models how to complete. And in some models we'll be having a quizzes. If you observe here in first model, here you can see Salesforce quick look. Here you'll be having modules. This model, if I open this unit, okay, in this unit at the end this is a quiz. Okay, in some units it will be quiz, and in some unit there will be a hands-on challenge which you need to perform in the playgrounds. And you can also connect your or this developer or which we have created, right? That developer or you can also connect it with your trailhead account. Okay, so how to do that is like when I try to click on this unit to perform a challenge, we'll be having different playgrounds at the end. If you see these different challenges, if you want to create a playground you can create it, or else you can see connect or. Okay, once you click, as you click on this, you'll be landing in this page where you need to give your login and password so that it will be logged into the Salesforce org, your org. Okay, so this is about the trailhead and the trail mix for completing this internship. Again, I'll be repeating in the last, but regarding what you need to complete. So this is all about the trailhead account. And here as we see certification, these are certifications that is like global certification, Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, associate. So this, if you write any kind of certification, there will be different kinds of certifications in Salesforce. If you are very perfect and if you are and if you have a good hands-on practice, then you can write the certifications. It will be costing like around $200. So if you write that, that will be added over here. So that is what about the this certifications. Not this certifications is different. Again, please don't compare it with this internship certificate. Okay, this is global certification. Okay, this global certification, it will be in the global wise. As you all know, Salesforce is the worldwide platform and company. So if you have this certification is a global certification. And super badges, if you complete these super badges, as I told, these three super badges which we have, that will be added. So that are super badges based on your models which you have completed in the trailhead. It will be show the skills, what are all skills you have. Okay, it's here are the badges which you have completed. It will be everything, it will be showing here, right? And when you observe here, we have badges in our ring. If I click on this, here you can see we have different badges. These different badges, batch 1 hiker, batch 5 explorer, batch 10 adventurer, right? If you complete 100 badges, you can say you are a ranger in Salesforce trailhead. The person who ever create this trailhead account, that person is known as a trailblazer. Okay, if you create the trailhead account, that person is known as a trailblazer. Okay, what is a trailblazer? Someone asked yesterday. So trailblazer is like the person who have a trailhead account. That person is known as a trailblazer. Okay, you if you create trailhead account, you'll be also a trailblazer. So this also you can mention in your resumes. If you complete 100 models, it will show 100 badges. So you can say you are a ranger. If you complete 200, you will be getting a double star ranger. So similarly all these badges are like that, right? And what are at the end of the session, I'll clearly tell you what are all you need to complete for in order to get certification in this. And also I'll be showing you the recordings and also handbook and everything by end of the session. Okay, so let's take 10 minutes break and come back, then we'll continue with the session.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Welcome back, guys. Now we'll just see the Salesforce platform, and I'll just walk you through the Salesforce platform. What are all their configurations and settings? Okay. Hope you have understood how to create a Salesforce developer account and say that Trailhead account. Okay, please don't get confused between them. Trailhead account is very different, and Salesforce developer account is different. Okay, Trailhead account we have created to complete our modules and also super batches, and Trailhead developer Salesforce developer account we have created to practice our scenarios. Okay, so we'll just see the Salesforce platform, what are all available in our I'll just walk you through what is what. Okay, so before knowing about this Salesforce platform, this is a setup page. Okay, what is mean by setup page is like setup page is similarly like our settings in our mobiles. Okay, so to be very simple, if we buy a mobile phone, then what we do will just go to settings and do whatever settings we want, right? So there will be able to there we'll be able to change the timings and or themes, display settings, everything like that, right? So everything which we want to be changed in our mobiles will go to settings. In similar way, if you want to do any customizations and configurations in our platform, that should reflect in our application pages for usage of our clients, then everything that customizations and configurations we will be doing in our setup page. Okay, to be very simple, setup page. Okay, to be very simple, we can say setup page is used for all customizations and configurations in Salesforce platform. Okay, so this is that setup page. You can see setup over here, and this is a home and a quick find box. This quick find box is used to search the items which are available in our left panel over here. Okay, that we'll be using, you'll be knowing in coming classes how we'll be using that. And then we are especially telling about a setup page, and is there any other pages? Yes, there is another pages. If you observe here, we have a nine dots over here. These nine dots are nothing but app launcher. Okay, this is an app launcher. If you click on this, and these are all apps which are available in this platform right now. These are all standard applications. Okay, we did not create any application, but these applications are created whenever we create a Salesforce account, a developer account. Then these applications are automatically defaultly given from the platform itself. Okay, so if I search like let us log in into let us open a sales application now. This is called as a application page. Okay, so this is an application page, and if you want to go to a setup page, then you can see a gear icon over here. You just need to click on this gear icon and setup, and this is our setup page. Okay, so this is our setup page and this is our application page. Please don't get confusion between them, right? And here coming to home, here home button, you here as I told in quick find box, you can get items for our settings and configurations. And object manager is here. This is very in coming classes you'll be knowing how we gonna use this object manager, right? And coming to here, we like clicking on view profile, you can see here we have different kinds of settings. When you click here options, okay, this is like you can edit your profile. When you click on settings, here you can just edit your personal information. If you want to change your first name, last name, okay, you can also change your email ID, but you cannot change the username is unique. Once you it is created, you will not be able to change the username. Okay, then you can give your phone number, extensions, fax, mobile number. If you want, you can give it. And coming to address, you can also give your address here. Address, city, street, like city, state, zip, postal code, and country. Okay, my work information, you can also give your work information regarding your company here, and you can just click on save. So this is about the personal settings. If you want to log out from this profile, or if you want to log out from this Salesforce platform, you can click on log out over here. Okay, and here these are the usernames. Like when you see our Amazon accounts, okay, and Amazon accounts, in our Amazon shopping accounts, we'll be having an option called switch account. Okay, in similar way here you can see add username. This like if you create any other Salesforce developer or for your practice purpose, then you can just click on add username, so that these are all different trailhead sorry, these are the different accounts which I have created for my usage, so that's why it is already showing here. So this is that option, you can just click and add the another user Salesforce platforms here. Okay, Salesforce ops here. Then here you have a option called switch to Salesforce Classic. Okay, Salesforce Classic is different. Then sorry guys, here you can see switch to classic Salesforce Classic version. Okay, and here we have some information, I'll tell this. Made the switcher use this link to switch between Salesforce Classic and Lightning experience when you want, whenever you want, right? So here it is a Lightning. We have two types of Salesforce platforms. One is classic version and one is Lightning version. Okay, this which we are seeing right now is a classic version. This is a classic version, you can see pictures, background, and components kind. So this is like a Lightning version. So when you try to switch to a classic version, this is a outdated UI. Salesforce Classic is a outdated UI, and Lightning is a this now present which we are using, this is an updated UI. Okay, you can also switch to classic UI of the same profile. I'm just clicking on it. So this is how the classic version will be visible. You can see the difference. It is like let me open setup page. You can see here components are there, some kind of graphics, background pics. So this UI is different, and classic UI is different, right? So here you don't find any kind of background or components kind of things, but the customizations and configurations which you will be doing in Lightning version, everything you can do in classic version. But the main difference between classic version and Lightning version is that this classic version doesn't support mobiles. Okay, you cannot open this classic version, I mean Lightning, you cannot open this classic version in mobiles. It will be not efficient like our Lightning UI. It doesn't support in mobiles. Okay, Lightning version supports in mobiles. This Salesforce Classic is outdated UI, and Salesforce Lightning is an updated UI. So that is the difference between them. So this is a good to know information, and it will be also your interview questions. What is the difference between Salesforce Classic and Salesforce Lightning? So I told you. And if you want to switch back to your Lightning version, then you have an option here. You can see switch to Lightning experience. So when you click on it, you'll be back to that. Okay, and I'm just going to the classic version again. Here you can again see setup page. It is also visible here for a setup page, and setup in setup also again now you'll be having you from here also you can create objects fields. You'll be knowing what are objects and fields in later classes. So here also again we can have setup page where we can do our customizations and configuration. This is very outdated UI. I'm just now trying to switch to my Lightning experience. So we are back to our Lightning UI. And then what is missing here, we have seen switch to Lightning and usernames and everything. Okay, so this is the difference. Here you have comfy and compact. What is this comfy and compact display density? I'll just show you that also. When you observe here, this is accounts. This is an object, and in this object we have some record. We'll be having some records. So let me see all. These are some records. When I try to open this record, going to details, you can see that account owner and the answer, like the field answer of that particular field is given downside, right? That is in a comfy density. When I change it to compact, I'm just changing to compact and clicking on refresh now. Then clicking on details. Here you can see the fields are displaying just beside the field names. Okay, these are called as fields. We'll see how to create them and what are they also. But for now, these are the field names. It is visible beside the field answers will be visible beside the field names. Okay, so this is the difference. This is compy and compact. I'm just again clicking on compact, and this is all about classic and lightning version. Now I will be telling you what are navigation items. Okay, navigation items are like when you go to this sales application. This is our sales application, right? This bar which you can observe here, this bar is known as navigation bar. Okay, this bar which you can see that space over here between these two lines, this space and this whole thing is known as navigation bar. Okay, so this navigation bar here, these are called as navigation items: home, opportunities, leads. Okay, so these are all objects again. So but the objects which are placed here in the navigation bar, so it is called as navigate items. These are called navigate items. So these items you can just move them from anywhere which place you want, you can just move them. And here you have a but personalized navigation bar, and from here from this pencil icon you can just click on add more items. You can see navigate items. Okay, clicking on add more items and clicking on all. When I click on all, here we have some kind of objects. You can just add them from here. Okay, so while creating an application, that will coming into the picture. But this navigation items, this is a navigation bar, and you need to know before coming to this platform. This is called as a navigation bar. Okay, so we have seen navigation bar. Now what we do is we'll just do a small topic now. That topic is like theming and branding in Salesforce. Okay, so when you observe in this setup page or in our application page, if I click on this, the blue color background is appearing, and here you can see this is like a blue color theme. It is like branding is like everything is in blue color. Okay, and you can see here we have some cloud. This is like a Salesforce cloud. If you if you own a company and if you are using this Salesforce platform for your company, then what you will be doing is you will be adding your logo here, right? You can add your logo, and you can also change the background picture here, and you can also change this color. It's like blue color it is showing. You can also change according to your use, right? So let us see how to change theming and branding in Salesforce. Okay, so for that, again, as I told, for all our customizations and configurations, we need to go to our setup page. Now we are in our setup page, and from setup page, from home, in quick find box, if you see here we have a quick find box. From quick find box, I'm just searching for theming, themes and branding. Okay, so just opening themes and branding. These are the all the themes which are available in our platform, and these themes are automatically built like when we try to create our platform. Every all these are defaultly created. Okay, these are all existing themes in our platform. But if you want to create a new theme according to your company use and according to your management, then you can just click on this new theme over here. Okay, so if I read this, a theme is a set of colors and images that represent your org brand. You can create your own theme or choose for a set of built-in themes provided by Salesforce. Okay, so it is saying you can set your colors and images as per your requirement of your org brand. Okay, you can choose own theme or choose it from a set of built-in themes. That means before coming into this page, new theme, there are some existing themes, right? If you want to use that, you can also use them, or if you want to create a new, you can create a new theme. So now for now, for my use, I'm just creating a new theme, and here you can see theme name. So let us give it as cohort for theme name. I'm just giving it, and here this API name is Hello. Okay. So this API name, here is this will be a unique name. Okay, this will be a unique name in our platform. When you try to create a another theme with the same API name, it will not be taken. Okay, it will be showing you that this name is already existing. So this API name is a unique name that will be that will not allow you to create a duplicates. And this API name you can use it in our developer coding for manipulating this kind of themes or similarly like that. Okay, here we have a description. If you want to give, you can give the any description over here. So let us give some description. This theme is for cohort for platform. Okay, so this is what I have given. And here you can see brand image. Here let us give some image. Let me download one. etc, as it is collaboration. Let me just download that. Okay, save image. I'm just saving my this image.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Yeah, I have just downloaded it and trying to upload it. AICTC. When you can just adjust your picture like this if you want. You can adjust it. You can also crop it and make it to fit in your place which is given here. Okay, and clicking on save. It will be uploaded now. You can see it is uploaded. And the brand color, you see this is the blue color it is showing for us. If you want to change that, you can also change it. Let me change it to some yellowish. Okay, I'm clicking on done. Right, so this is the brand. And here background page image, if you want to change, you can change it like yes. Okay, and background, this is like a page background image. This image which you can see here, like lines blue color, it is there, right? Background one. If you want to change it, you can just upload that the picture you want to upload in your background, you can just upload here. Okay, you can just upload it here. Based on your requirement, you can give the background one. Right, so these are default banners for group and user profile. You can also give branding banner for groups, so that groups and profiles, it will be in coming classes. So I have just created a theme and also changed the background color and also brand I have changed. And now I'm just clicking on save. Okay, so after clicking on save, you can see our theme is been saved. So cohort 4, this is what it is. And let's click on edit. You can see the preview option here. If you click on activate, it will be activated to our platform right now. You can see preview option here. So let's preview it, how it's gonna look. You can see the background color we have changed into some color brownish color it is changed. And this color brand color we have changed to yellow, so it is already changed to yellow. And here you can see our theming. This is a brand. We have changed the photo which we have given, the picture which we have given over here. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. So I'm just clicking on end preview now. Now I have just ended the preview and clicking on activate. As soon as I click on activate, you can see it is activated to our platform. And similar way in applicate, it will be also applicable whenever you open any applications also, it will be same, because the platform color, everything will be branding, everything will be same. You can see it is like this, and color also changed to some kind of yellowish color. Okay, so this is how you will be changing the theming and branding. And there are more important topics that are yet to be discussed in coming classes. This is just an small topic which I have told you right now. Okay, and now I would like to tell you how to log in into the Smart Interns platform, and hope everyone has received the login credentials, right? So you have received the login credentials, and many of you are confused how to log into the Smart Interns platform and what to do in Smart Interns platform and where you can find the recordings, right? So let us see that. Now to log in, I think you have also received the link when when you registered. Okay, when you registered the mail id, when you registered the username and password is being sent to your mail. Okay, please check your mails. The username and password along with the Smart Interns platform, the link is sent to you, so you can use those login credentials. Please check how I'm logging into the platform. Okay, I'm just clicking on new tab. You can just click on the link which you have received in the emails. But if you want to log in directly, you can search for smartinterns.com. You can just click on smartinterns.com, and here you can see my account. You can see login my account. You can here is student. Okay, you need to click on student, and it will be asking you regarding the it will be asking you email and password. Okay, this email is a username and password. This username and password you will be receiving in your mails. So by using those username and password, you just need to log in. Okay, the username you need to give here, and then password you need to give it over here. Okay, the password you need to give, and just click on this and whatever and click on login. Hope everyone is understanding it. Again, I am repeating, if you need to log in into the, everyone is getting confused, right? How to access for recordings and how to join in the session, daily session, and the registered link. Okay, register link, and where will be the registration, like if you are register for admin. Why, if you open the admin, and where you can find the models to complete, right? How this internship will be ended. So each and every process, that everything is there in the Smart Interns platform. That is what I'm showing now. So again, I'm coming from first. Please don't ignore this. Again, don't ask like show me the recordings and everything. Please everyone concentrate here. The first point is that whenever you have registered for this internship, then you, after registration, the mail has been sent to your mail ids. Please check your mail ids. There you will be seeing login credentials. Okay, username and passwords. So that username and password you need to, that username and passwords you need to give it here. So where you can get this page is like, you need to log into smartinterns.com slash dot you just need to come to smartinterns.com. So if you click smartinterns.com, you will be landing in this page, and you can just click on login slash join slash login over here, and student is here. Just clicking on student. Okay, the username and password you need to give it over here, which you have received in your mails. Just concentrate here. I am just giving the one of the student username and password. Okay, so clicking on, I'm not at all, but this is our student. Clicking on login, the credential, username and password you need to give, and after clicking on login, will be landed in this page. Okay, so this is called as a Smart Interns platform, where you will be landed, and from here you can access the recordings of the live sessions, and the models which you have to complete. That everything I'll be showing you now. Okay, so here when you observe, you have extensions. Okay, after landing on this page, you need to come to extensions over here. Clicking on extensions, right? So as this student has been registered for many courses, so it is showing here. But for us, it is Salesforce virtual internship administrator. This part will be showing for you. Okay, so then you need to click on access resources over here. After clicking on access resources, you will be having instructions, courses, learning resources, graded projects, training calendar, and help. Okay, and here you this is like how to complete virtual internship. All the process is given here, but after logging as I told, you need to create a trailhead account, right? First you need to create a trailhead account, and then you need to open this, and you can observe here courses. You need to submit the URL which you see here. The URL, if you click on a profile, this is the trailhead URL. Okay, this you need to copy it and you need to submit here. The first process after creating a trailhead, you need to log in into the Smart Intents platform, and then you need to click on extensions and access resources. And from access resources, here we have courses. After clicking on courses, here add trailhead profile URL. You just need to click on it and you need to submit your URL over here and click on submit. Okay, after submitting it will show you success. Again it will show, no need to worry, once you have submitted, that is submitted, right? Now we have done with first process. And then what is the how to start the internship and what are all you need to complete is that after submitting your URL, you need to come to your guided projects over here. Okay, you can see guided projects, and you can click on go to workspace. So these are the, again I have shown you, right? I have shown you in the trailhead the trail mix. In the trail mix you have three super badges, so those three super badges are given here. That is admin superset. You can also complete from here, or else that will from here you can take the references, or else I'll be showing directly in the trailhead account only, trailhead account how to complete those admin superset. Okay, so this is a part. Then you can see extensions, right? Here you can see the training calendar. In this training calendar you will be finding the recordings and also the live sessions to join. Okay, yesterday for our session has been done, so you can see view recordings. If you click on view, that will be viewed for you. You can also see here, I just clicked on view. So it is not my account is not activated, that's why it is not showing. If you click on view, the recordings will be showed to you. The recording, yesterday's recordings will be viewed for you. Okay, if you want daily, if you want to join in the sessions, you can also log into Smart Interns platform and training calendar. You can see here join button is there. If you click on this, then from 6 to 8 daily we are going like 10 live sessions will be going on, right? Till 10 training session till first of this October. This first of this October, our training sessions will be going on. So when you click on this, you will be coming to these sessions, and after that mentor sessions will be there. If you will be working on the models, if you get any doubts or errors in those super badges or models, if you are working, you can just ask our mentors here, so that they'll resolve the queries, or they'll try to resolve your more model challenges, and you'll be able to complete this internship. Okay, there are again you can see there are 10 mentor sessions. You can join in that session by clicking on this link, join. Then you'll be joining in that as per the date. You can just click on join. Okay, and these recordings will be, you can view the recordings directly from here. As yesterday only one recordings is there, so it is showing only one, that is view. Hope this is very clear for you guys. Is that clear? Yeah. Then so this is all about the recordings. Now we have seen how to log in into the Smart Intense platform, and we have seen how to view the recordings of classes, live sessions, and also how to submit your URL, right? And then after your doubts are that what are all models you need to complete in order to complete this certification, right? So that is your doubt. For that, again, other account which you have created, Trailhead account, and that account you need to go, and you can see, click on go to Trailhead. In this trailhead, you need to come to this trailhead, and here we have search trailhead. In search trailhead, you need to search for trail mix by Smart Bridge. Okay, I also showed you before. Again, I am showing you it. You need to search for trail mix by Smart Bridge. Okay, just click on search. After clicking on search, you'll be able to see trail mix by Smart Bridge administrator trail mix. You can also see the logo. You just need to open this administrator trail mix from here. And then these are all the models. You need to complete these models every day, like you can complete two models based on handbook. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, again you'll be landed in this page only. You just need to go to courses and you will be seeing admin trail mix. So if you click on start learning, again you will be landing in this page only. So you can also directly search in trailhead, or else you can search it from externship courses or start learning. Okay, so if you click on that, you will be redirected to our trail mix, admin trail mix, and here you need. Okay, so here you need to complete these models one by one. These are small models. If you open these models, you will be having quizzes or small hands-on practices, so that you can give those and you'll be earning the badges and points. In this only in this session, I'll be showing you guys how to complete this. Again, don't expect it from tomorrow, because from tomorrow we'll be dealing with the concepts itself. So only today I'm explaining this. Daily I won't explain this, so listen it very carefully. These models you need to complete, you need to give the quizzes. Okay, so that you'll be earning the points and badges. And come after that, all these models which are there here, these are the small models you need to complete. And then the main agenda of this internship is that when you try to complete these models, all these models, these super badges will be unlocked. Okay, so these are the super badges. You can see user access specialist super badge, security governance specialist super badge, okay, user authentication specialist super badge, and business administrator super badge, lightning experience reports and dashboard specialist, security specialist super badge. So these super badges will be unlocked, and when you open these super badges, again inside you will be having the modules. Okay, so these are the models. You need to just open them and try to read all the you need to try to read all the information over here, and you need to complete the challenge at the end. Okay, so when you complete each and every challenge, the next models will be unlocked. So here you can see, if you complete this will be unlocked. If you complete this will be unlocked. And if you complete this super badge will be unlocked. Okay, this super badge, if those super badge is completed, then you need to go to your next super badge. And our next super badge is security governance specialist super badge. Just click on this, and again you can see here we have super badges. You need to complete this, so that this will be this security governance specialist super badge will be unlocked. Okay, then you need to complete, after completing both of these, you need to complete this one. And after completing this badge, after completing this will be completed. This super badge model will be completed. And then other one we have super badge is user authentication specialist. I mean, here also, if you observe, pre-request is we have again three prerequisites. If you complete these three modules, then this super badge will be unlocked. These are three super badges. Again, if you complete them, This will be unlocked. Then you need to complete this one also. Okay, and then this one is a business administration super badge. Here also, these are the prerequisites. These are the models which are given above. When you see the trail mix, when you see in the above trail mix, this all these models are involved. So if you complete these models above, that this also will be here. Also, it will be showing you the completed one. Okay, it will be showing like a tick, and then you need to, this super badge will be unlocked. Okay, you need to perform this super badge, and after that, again one more super badge we have, that is lightning experience reports and dashboards. Again, in this prerequisite is those models are also involved above in this trail mix. You just need to complete them, and these super badges will be unlocked. Okay, so after completing this super badge, so while performing this super badge, if you get any doubts, we are here to help. Please don't worry about that. And this is the last super badge which you need to complete. Ultimately, this administration admin superset. In this admin superset, if you complete those, this everything will be shown as a completed. Business administration, if you complete in that, it will be completed over here, and this will be completed. So ultimately, admin superset should be completed. All these super badges to be completed. Okay, so that is what the agenda of this internship is, that so once you complete this admin superset, you will be able to get the certificate. So as you are in admin track, you need to complete this admin superset in order to receive your certificates. Okay, is that clear? And if you get any doubts, like session will be only for 1 hour, or 1 hour, right? 1 hour, 2 hours mentor sessions will be there. Then what about after mentor session, where you can ask your queries, or if you have any kind of doubts, where you can ask is that, let me also show you that. Mm, in short time, like in short time, you will be receiving in short time you will be receiving the credentials. You will be receiving the links to join in the Slack channel. Uh, I think you have it. Yes. So this is called as a Slack channel. Everyone who have registered for this this admin Salesforce virtual internship admin, you'll be receiving a Slack links maybe by tomorrow. So try to click on that link and join in this channel. This Slack channel is similarly like a WhatsApp group. Okay, but here you can directly share your screen, and you can just call us, our mentors, and we will be there in this admin group. This is like a admin, this is admin. Okay, this is like a group where you can just post your screenshots and ask your doubts. We'll be available for our office timings, like from morning 8 o'clock to evening 7 o'clock. We'll be available in this Slack channel. So if you have any kind of error while performing those models or super badges, you can just post the screenshot over here, so that we'll be helping you, or else we'll be directly, our mentors will be directly connecting to you to resolve your queries to complete those models very successfully. Okay, so that is what all about is. One more time, I'm just repeating it fastly, so just concentrate on it. To access your recordings of previous classes, you just need to log in into the Smart Intense platform with the credentials which you have received for your mails. Okay, then after that, you need to click on extensions. From extensions, so we have registered for Salesforce virtual internship administrator. This will be showing to us. Then you need to click on access resources. After clicking on access resources, here you will be finding instruction courses, and here coming to, you need to first go to courses, and you need to submit your trailhead URL here. Okay, and then you can see start learning process. If you click on start learning process, it will be directly redirecting to your to trailhead, the links, I mean the models which you have to complete. So you just need to log into your trailhead, and you need to complete the models which are there here. This is again trailmix by SmartBridge only. The ultimate goal is that you need to complete the admin superset over here. Okay, to find the recordings of previous session, you can go to trailhead calendar over here. Okay, and here you can see view recording according to the date 16 view recordings. If you click on view, the recordings will be viewed for you. And here are the joining links to join in the sessions. Like every evening we'll be going, right, 6 to 8 live sessions, and then after mentoring session. So according to that, if you want to join, you can just come here and click on join, and you will be directly coming to our session. Okay, and coming to guided projects, this is like again admin superset what the you need to complete, that is just mentioned here. This again like which are mentioned in our trail mix only. Okay, so this is about that. And workspace, once you complete all these super badges and also admin superset, so if you complete this admin superset, tick will be coming here. After coming the tick, you just need to come to guided projects, extensives, sorry, and then access resources. From here you can see guided projects. Go to workspace, you need to come to workspace, and here you have project workspace. You just need to click on project workspace. Here task and progress is there. Okay, just you need to move these cards from backlog section to review section. Okay, just need to move this all these to uh, review section. Okay, this one is a business administration super specialist, administration specialist. If you complete this, then you need to move to review. And here you have lightning experience. This is again super badge which we have seen. This again you need to move it to review section. Okay, and security specialist, again you need to move it to the review section, right? And then so finally admin superset, you need to move to review section. You will not be able to move to complete section because our mentors will be reviewing this and they will be moving to the complete section. Okay, then you will be finding this. So if I just reload it, you will be able to see 90% of the is completed, and 10% why it is left is after our mentors reviewing, it will be 100%. Okay, when these cards will be moved to complete, then it will be showing you 100%, right? So that is what about all about smart interns platform. And to be very quick, again you can you can just log in into your trailhead account, and from search trailhead you can search for trailmix by smartreach, trailmix by smartreach. Okay, trailmix by smartreach, then you can just directly go to our trailmix also from here. Admin trail mix. As we are in admin, you just need to complete all the models which are there in the admin trail mix. Okay, hope you have understood, everyone has understood about this. And I'm just turning on chat. I'll be here to resolve your doubts. If you have any doubts, please put it in the chat. I'll be helping you.
Recording stopped.
Any doubts regarding the internship or how to log in into the smart interns platform, you can just put it in the chats. How to reach the mentors, Aarti, that is what I showed. You need to reach out to the mentors in the Slack. I have shown you the Slack, right? So you need to reach out in the Slack. When will recordings will be uploaded? Because even we get the error. What error? I did not understand. The recordings, like today is a live session, right? Today live session recordings will be available for you by tomorrow 11 a.m. That is what. If you have any errors while performing, we will not show to complete models in the live session. In live sessions, we will be dealing with the concepts which are all you need to learn, and then you need to perform in your trailhead. Okay, so then while you are performing in your trailhead, if you have any errors, then we'll be trying to resolve that. If you put the screenshot in our Slack. I'm facing problem in creating developer account, please repeat once. Anusha, Anusri, right? If you are facing any problem, please just close everything and then again try to create a new one, new developer account, so that it will be created. If you did not receive username and password, please drop a mail to support@thesmartbridge.com. If anyone did not get login credentials with your mail ID, please drop a mail to support@thesmartbridge.com. So can we start attending trail mix model before completing the session? Srilata, yes, from tomorrow we'll be diving into the topics, admin topics. So after starting the topics, you can start doing the trail mixes models. How to access to Slack? Anusha, you'll be receiving the link. Okay, you'll be receiving the Slack links in your mails by maybe by tomorrow. So if you click on that links, you'll be directly joining into the Slack channels. Yes, yesterday's it's not uploaded. With some technical issue, it will be uploaded soon. Sir, how to access submitted assignment or models in our extension? Dharma, why to access? Like I have shown you, right? How to access it? You can see the access resources from there. You can access. As we have your URLs, we'll be tracking them in the background. Okay. Should we delete the present Rocket workspace chat? Vaibhav, who told you about the Rocket workspace? We did not use it. We are not using any Rocket workspace. So our first order of business is to finish. Yes, trail mix. Devdali Shark, who is this? Sharkar. Yes, the you need to complete the trail mix. What is the purpose of developer account? Developer account, if you want to like from tomorrow, I'll be showing you some scenarios in the Salesforce developer account. Okay. So after the session, if you want to practice, you can just go to developer account and you can practice there. If you want to practice more sessions, like more scenarios, you can also practice there. So that is the